Okay, so let's start by looking at the tell no list. The tell no list surveys the basic information that is ideally communicated and shared between a supervisor and an employee, usually within the first few months, sometimes over the first few months of a new position. The tell side lists items of information that a supervisor can share to help an employee gain a clear understanding of what is expected of them regarding their performance and conduct in their new role. The no side covers information the supervisor would gather or an employee would share for the supervisor to obtain a clear understanding of their employee's baseline knowledge, skills, and abilities. And by baseline knowledge, skills, and abilities, that's what you've arrived with. So they can kind of see what additional skills or knowledge you might need to perform the job. There are a variety of ways this information could be shared, everything from one-on-one discussions to written documentation to meeting with other employees. The goal here is to provide you with a tool by which you can identify the information that has already been shared between you and your supervisor, and what information and what discussions may still need to occur so that you have a full understanding of your job and your supervisor has a strong understanding of your baseline knowledge, skills, and abilities. Frequently, when issues arise on the job, it's because there's a lack of understanding between the employee and supervisor regarding one of these areas. Having this list can help you pinpoint knowledge gaps, where the issue may be coming from, and engage in conversations to build greater understanding and clarity for both you and your supervisor.